Hello everyone! Today, we're going to delve into a crucial topic in public health, rabies, as it is considered as a serious disease that's often transmitted through animal bites. But fear not, because with proper understanding, I hope that at the end of this discussion, we will have a broader insight and widened perspective about rabies through this outline. So what exactly is rabies? As mentioned, rabies is often transmitted through animal bites, which belongs to the Rhabdoviridae family. It is also gram-negative, single-stranded RNA, enveloped, and bullet-shaped virus. For the epidemiology, according to the data from the World Health Organization Rabies Information System, as of April 13, 2023, there were 55 reported cases of rabies virus in the Philippines, which the data increased compared to the 2022 rabies cases. Now, rabies can be transmitted by a wide range of mammalian species. However, data from the Middle East and Asia show that the typical host reservoirs for the virus are the domestic dog, red fox, ferret badger, and golden jackals. According to the data from WHO, 99% of human death toll is due to canine rabies, as the data shows more than 50,000 human casualties annually. From the photos shown here, it is mainly in Asia and Africa where humans suffer from the burden of this disease. It shows that the status of dog-mediated rabies in the Philippines is endemic with control. For the pathogenesis and transmission, rabies is highly fatal, affecting the central nervous system, but it's also preventable. Animals like bats, skunks, raccoons, foxes, and even our beloved pets, cats and dogs, as mentioned earlier, can carry and transmit the virus through bites. Once the virus enters the body through a bite wound, it begins its journey. It multiplies at the site of the bite and slowly travels along the sensory neurons to the central nervous system, which includes the brain and the spinal cord. Now, let's talk about the symptoms. Rabies can be tricky because symptoms may not appear immediately. There are two phases, the prodromal period and the encephalitic phase. During the prodromal period, individuals may experience paresthesia around the bite, along with fever, fatigue, muscle pain, cough, sore throat, diarrhea, nausea, and vomiting. As the virus progresses, it affects the brain, leading to excessive motor activity, agitation, mental aberrations, and brainstem dysfunctions in the encephalitic phase. However, if the clinical signs of rabies appear in an individual and yet didn't take any prompt action, coma and death can occur if left untreated. Diagnosing rabies is crucial for effective management. There are several diagnostic procedures, including fluorescent antibody testing, RT-PCR on fresh saliva, and skin biopsy. Negative bodies found in histopathology as seen in the photo are indicative of rabies, but their absence doesn't rule it out. Additional tests such as CSF analysis and MRI may be necessary. Shown in the photo are the World Health Organization guidelines for post-exposure prophylaxis of rabies virus depending on the category. For the category 1, if it is just touching or feeding animals as well as licks on intact skin, vaccination is not required. However, immediate and thorough washing with soap and water can be done. Next, for the category 2, if there is nibbling of uncovered skin and scratches, immediate vaccine shall be given, and washing with soap and water shall be done as well. Lastly, for the category 3, by which there are single or multiple transdermal bites or scratches, licks on broken skin, a thorough wash with soap and water is necessary. Immediate vaccination with rabies vaccine and administration of immunoglobulin after 7 days shall be made. As we conclude this report, it is important to recognize that rabies virus shall not be neglected. It poses a significant threat, which is why it is important to advocate for its awareness and widespread vaccination efforts throughout the world. So then, together, let us continue to protect ourselves and our loved ones by spreading awareness towards this simple yet deadly bite. If you want to have supplemental readings about rabies, here are the references I've used for this presentation. Thank you very much, and I hope you've learned a lot.